abbondanza. We're making Beyond Sausage sandwiches. This is usually $7. No, they're not stale, they're not bad, and they're thawed out and ready to go. I'm gonna poke some holes in them, so in the microwave they cook nice and evenly. And we like to have ours kind of nice and well done. We got the marinara getting warm here. Remember to add water as it cooks up. Cover that, or your microwave will not be a convenient way to be cooked. There's a lot of greasy oil in these, but it's not animal fat oil. So, boom. And while we're at it, we're gonna test two types of mozzarella. First by Simple Truth, and the other one by Follow Your Heart. Try them all, because some are great, some of them are not so great. Oh, it's nice. Yep, we're onion freaks. Here's our secret bread from Trader Joe's. Looks like it's done. Oh, look at that. Yummy sausages. Ready? Here we go. I like to cut them in half. One more little tip. These products, like Beyond products, and the meatballs and the sausages, they never come with any microwaving instructions. They always say pan fry, skillet, or on a grill. We love cooking this in a microwave. It comes out so perfect. So if you're not gonna fire up a grill's awesome, we'll all admit that. Cook them in the microwave. This is so good. This will be a permanent part of my vegan adventure. And the cheeses are both good. They're both delicious. I can't say one's better than the other. They both do the job absolutely perfectly. I can't talk anymore. I just gotta eat this. It's so good.